Familiar face, wait, is that my old buddy Max? But you're in a state guessing that soon there'll be a climax.
Hold on, again, been a long time since I've seen you. You think I forget that day when we beat up the but now you're right where I misguided you. Are you proud? The things I've done just to pursue, say all your goodbyes. Sing your last lullaby, cause I will always linger. Don't twiddle your fingers. Oh friend, you let yourself right into your demise. I believe that me bring to now.
Calm down, listen to be a monster. It's only me. This is really urgent. This is a sign. You're driving me to this area.
Here in shadows keep on saying, you know how I deal. I'll flush everything right down the toilet. I'll need you to make my life work, man.
Sometimes I know that I'm real.
Like I'm in the middle of now you know this my next. Fight for love cause I'm indefatigable. Obsession causes for me just like fentanyl.
You're my soldier just because you're Rico. You know that I've been married a long time ago.
Push on ahead just for you, mind of rap, but you just filled up with troubles.
You had your potential, but didn't still the kids. But tighten up that pencil because it's your begin. First spring, don't be washed by the loud rain.
It was always mocking. Slash raking, you was only flashing. Every difference we try to make puts our only at stake. Throughout these gates of one brimstone is all that I see. I watch as the flame starts scorching my legacy.
My newborn blood starting to boil. Look at you so now, don't let you go. Your body.
To show you really love me. From the dark, can you please take it to you? Let's start a new book. You're about to rest this mind to digest. Still take the pill. You'll be my kid. After all of the wasted years, need to get a taste of your fear, need a little taste of your blood, then we can finally be one. You're everything that I'm wanting, just to say goodbye and not prove. There's no need to beg or bargain, because all I need is you.
Change your beliefs, that's all that I'm fighting for. Agreed, forget about this relevancy, just see we can let this end follow.
You think you can't see the full thing and fix me? I'm surely that you're mistaken with me. All about there's no better place to stop. Let your go take the floor. You've been nothing but a, so why do you keep
Realize that's true.
Do you
I'll keep repeating it.
think that I want something? Think
We'll make
I
our
should change my
love
mind and you make this fine? Then go ahead.
I'll set you free, don't you worry, take my hand, forgive me, I didn't mean to hurt you, so let us break away from the past, make sure love will always last.